geographers. We are on our last region. We've done our coastal region, Central Valley region, mountain region. That leaves us with the fourth region of the desert. So we are going to be drawing that now that we have all the information gathered. And based on the physical features, we will draw the desert region. So here we go. Now, I know if I look outside my window, because we're in the desert, there are some mountains that we see from afar, and they look a little bit different, like maybe rolling hills, but we can see maybe some far away depending on which part of the desert you are. But just to give some depth to our picture, we're going to do some mountains in our background. Now, when we have this mountain background, we certainly don't want to confuse it with being the mountain region. So we need to be sure to put in the actual features of the desert. So what we have in the desert are some cactus. So what you can do is do an upside down U, and then even some branches like coming out. So we have the different types of cactuses and Joshua trees, so that's what we need to do. We also have like that flat desert land, so we can go ahead and do the flat. Now a Joshua tree, you know those spiky like trees that we see in our desert. So not only do we see like the tumbleweeds, like so, just squiggly lines everywhere. You know, sometimes those even goat heads that get in our feet and hurt and stick us. Not fun. So we have tumbleweeds. The different kind of Joshua tree that we're actually going to do are the prickly Joshua tree. So what you can do is similar to the tree that we did in the mountain region, but you are going to make your prickles come down, and then you need to also have them come out. Like so. Right? So you have your like Joshua trees. Those are going to be probably green towards the top, but they mostly have those browns and yellows in them. Some other features that we have are, of course, rocks. So we'll put some rocks in. Boulders. We have maybe a snake. We'll make it a non-poisonous state. Maybe a desert tortoise. And any other things, we need the hot desert sun. We put the sun over, I think I'm going to put the sun over here this time. We do have our birds, especially maybe those rotten crows that get all in our trash, and some cloud coverage sometimes. You know what I'm even going to do? I'm going to sort of do this. What is that? The wind that we feel, right? Almost all the time. So we have that. You can do whatever else you'd like as far as physical features that you see in our desert, and you can include it. It does not have to be just what I have. You might want to do another like cactus. Sometimes you see like this kind of plant. So you can do that. And maybe I'll put one over here just to give it more. And there you go. So let's color. Voila! Our desert region. So remember, keep this project and you need to put your information. So just like the mountain region, you need to put it underneath each of them. And you will be bringing this project to our next pickup day and show us a picture. Show us how proud you are of your work, and I can't wait to see it. You are officially a 4-region California region geographer. See you soon, guys.